My dear friends, a very warm good morning to one and all. Today we gather here to observe World Suicide Prevention Awareness Day, a day dedicated to spreading awareness, sharing hope and encouraging action that can save lives. Every year, nearly 8 lakh people lose their lives to suicide worldwide. That is roughly one person every 40 seconds. These are not just numbers. These are mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, friends, students and teachers who silently battle their inner struggles. But why does suicide happen? Many times it is not about weakness or personal failure. It is about a person feeling overwhelmed by stress, depression, loneliness, anxiety, financial problems, relationship issues, academic pressure, lack of support and understanding. Most importantly, what prevents suicide is not grand actions, but simple acts of kindness, a small talk, a patient ear, a non-judgmental attitude. As young students are responsible adults, we must understand it's okay not to be okay. Asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Mental health is as important as physical health. Today, I urge each one of you to become a mental health ambassador in your life, family, school, and community. Observe changes in the behavior of your friends and peers. Reach out if you see someone withdrawing or losing hope. Educate others that talking about feelings does not bring shame. Promote healthy ways of coping with stress like exercise, hobbies, and professional counseling. Some warning signs of suicide may include sudden mood swings, talking about feelings hopeless, isolation from others, loss of interest in activities, talking about wanting to die. If any of you or your friends are facing psychological issues, feeling stressed, anxious, or hopeless, please approach our school counselors immediately without any hesitation. They are here to listen us, understand and support you in every possible way. Let us all pledge today that no one feel alone. Every voice will be heard. Every life will be valued because every person matters because together we are stronger because small acts of care can prevent big tragedies. Let us spread hope, compassion and awareness. Let us be the reason someone smiles today. Let us save the lives. Thank you. Have a nice day.